Levels of management. Management in any organization is structured into different levels to ensure efficient functioning, proper coordination, and effective decision-making. These levels represent a hierarchy of authority and responsibility, where each level performs specific roles and functions. The concept of levels of management helps in dividing work, clarifying responsibilities, and maintaining order within an organization. In general, management is divided into three main levels: top-level management, middle-level management, and lower-level, supervisory, management. Top-level management. Top-level management is the highest level in the organizational hierarchy. It consists of senior executives who are responsible for making major decisions and setting the overall direction of the organization. This level includes positions such as Chief Executive Officer, CEO, directors, and top administrators. Their primary role is to define organizational goals, formulate policies, and develop long-term strategies. Top-level managers focus on the future of the organization. They analyze external environments, make strategic decisions, and ensure that the organization adapts to changes. For example, in a university library, the chief librarian or director decides policies regarding digital transformation, budget allocation, and expansion of services. Functions of top-level management. Top-level managers are mainly involved in planning and policy making. They set objectives, establish rules, and guide the overall functioning of the organization. They also represent the organization in external matters and ensure coordination with other institutions or stakeholders. Middle-level management. Middle-level management acts as a link between top-level and lower-level management. It includes department heads, branch managers, and section officers. Their main responsibility is to implement the policies and plans formulated by top management. They interpret these policies and communicate them to lower-level managers. Middle-level managers are involved in both strategic and operational activities. They supervise lower-level managers, coordinate activities, and ensure that organizational goals are achieved efficiently. For example, in a library, a department head may manage cataloging, circulation, or reference services and ensure that staff follow established procedures. Functions of middle-level management. They play a crucial role in organizing and directing activities. They assign tasks, monitor performance, and provide feedback to top management. They also act as a communication channel, conveying information between different levels of the organization. Lower level, supervisory, management. Lower level management is the lowest level in the hierarchy and directly supervises the work of employees. This level includes supervisors, foremen, and section assistants. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that day-to-day tasks are carried out efficiently. Lower-level managers interact directly with workers and are responsible for maintaining discipline, motivation, and productivity. For example, in a library, a circulation assistant supervising the issue and return of books represents lower-level management. Functions of lower-level management. They focus on execution and supervision. They guide employees, solve immediate problems, and ensure that work is completed according to plans. They also provide feedback to middle management regarding operational issues. Relationship between levels. The three levels of management are interconnected and interdependent. Top-level management sets the direction, middle-level management translates it into action, and lower-level management executes the tasks. Effective communication and coordination among these levels are essential for organizational success. Importance of levels of management. The division of management into levels helps in clarifying roles and responsibilities, improving efficiency and specialization, facilitating better communication, ensuring proper supervision and control, supporting effective decision-making. In libraries, this structure ensures smooth functioning, proper resource management, and quality service delivery. Conclusion. In conclusion, levels of management form the backbone of organizational structure. The top level focuses on strategic planning, the middle level on implementation and coordination, and the lower level on execution and supervision. Each level has distinct roles but works together to achieve organizational objectives. Understanding these levels is essential for effective management in any field, including library and information science.